Hey everybody, I'm Jana and I'm doing a bulk unboxing today. This is my first order of bulk I've ever done. I'm a new reseller, so let's get right into it. Here is my box. Show you down here. It's just a case, and there should be around over 20 items, probably like 28, 30, I can't remember. But I've already looked at the manifest and I kind of know what's in there, kind of not. We'll see. So it'll be pretty interesting. There's women's clothing. It's all brand new with tags. And then there's also some general merchandise, everything else stuff. So it's kind of a mix. I don't know exactly what I'm going to continue to be selling. So this will kind of, I don't know, open my eyes. Who knows? So here we go. Let's open it up so you can see a little bit more. Hopefully I won't like totally stab myself while I do this. There we go. Easy to open. So here, I'll show you. I have this on I'll show you what. Let me take this out. This is the box. Excuse me, guys. This is the box. This is everything inside. And hopefully you saw that. So I am so not real good at these videos, so that's okay. Who cares? We just want to see the stuff, right? Okay. So really nice boxes. It's great. My neighbor's moving, so I'm going to give them to her. Okay, so the first one is a walnut scrubber sponge. And I looked these up before. I looked them up to kind of see how much they would be. These are nice. Nice packaging. Scrubber sponge. There is, looks like there's 2 of them. Nice packaging, all packaged up. Can't remember how much they're worth, but we shall see later. And here's a, ooh, this is a very nice, ooh, very nice. Very nice bathing suit. Bathing suits are really good sellers, especially now. Most places it's going to be summertime. That is really nice. This is a, see if it has tags. Yep, it's got a tag. Beach by Miracle Brands. So super cute. Oh, I like that. I like it. I like it. That's very nice. Oh, and here are, I don't know how to do this without bending over and showing whatever. Okay, so Halo Mega Constructs Pro Builders. Looks like a kid builder toy. Cool, I'll have to look that up also. And there's 3 of those. Looks like on here the retail price was $9.99 and they were on clearance, so we'll see how we do. So there's 4 of those actually. So 4 of those. Whee! Looks good so far, nice and clean, no junk, no dust or anything like that. So I got wall crawlers. This is interesting. Okay, so these are 6-count wall crawlers. Nuts and bolts. Check that. Wall crawlers. Interesting. Got 2 of those. Looks like some kind of a toy. So it looks like you might be able to put them on the wall and then they kind of crawl down. We'll have to see. So 2 of those. And let's see. Oh yeah. And I saw this in there. This is let's see. Infinity Pro Con Air. Coated barrel. It is a, my goodness, no frizz, no fuss, frizz-free 1.5-inch hot air brush. Totally packaged, not sealed, but packaged. Look at it. Let's look inside and see what's in there. Okay, so, oh yeah, this, I don't think anybody's ever opened this package. Yeah, it looks like it's all in there. So, okay. Let's set that down. Okay. Then, that's kind of nice. I don't know how much that would be worth. It's not like a flat iron, but I don't know, could be worth something. Okay, and this, I saw there was a purse in there, and I looked it up. It looked like it might go for something or other. This is a New York City bag. Over the shoulder. And it's kind of like a suede material. Look at that, brand new. Sealed still. Really nice. Look at that. Oh, I like that. Ooh, it's got all, look at all the pockets. Ooh, that's very nice. Ooh, I'm very excited about that. Yay! And then, okay. Let's see, this is a nice, like almost like an Angora sweater. Made in China, which most of the stuff that you get is. This is like a star cropped short sweater. It's really cute. It's really soft. It's that Angora feel. So it might be acrylic, but it still feels like Angora. And then art class. So you look that up. I like it because it has we have the tags on there. So there you go. And that is a size large. Nice. Very nice. This is one box of 2. I'm only doing one because of the time element on my video. So the other one came out with quite a bit of clothes, cute stuff. Kind of like this. It's kind of the same like this. Ooh, this is nice. Flannel. Ooh, that's nice. It's a hoodie. Ooh, very nice. Look at that. There, you can see that. Little ties and a little pocket. I wonder if there's pockets down here. That'd be so cool if there were pockets. That's okay. No pockets. That's okay. This is so cute. Flannel. This is by Original Use. And that's a small, you know. I don't know if that's I am an extra large 1X, and that is not a small. That would fit me. I think almost fit me. I'll have to figure that out. I'll have to maybe measure it or something. That's very nice. Here's some more of those wall crawlers. Got a couple more, so that's 4. This is a cute tank, size small, a new day. Let's see. I don't see any stains or anything like that. It's great. And even if they're new, sometimes that can happen. In that other box, there was a little stain on one of them, and I actually got a hold of the, or did the little chat on BULQ, and I'm going to see if they got back to me. I haven't really looked yet. I'm not too worried about it. It'll be a good experience to see how the returns go. So that's good. Okay, so this is a all-in-motion. Oh, really super, oh, this is nice. This is a size 1X cardigan. Ooh, cardigan sweater. This is nice. Ooh, I love it. Super, look at that. All the way down. This is, oh, wow. So soft butter. There's a little lint. I can take that off. Yay. Cute. Really cute. Here, I'm going to put this on a hanger. I don't know. I was going to put it on a hanger, but I don't have one. It's really super cute. This is a, it's not buttoned down. So yeah, it is a cardigan. Love it. Very, very good material. Okay, I got another one of the Halo Mega Constructs. So that's 5, I think. 4 or 5. And 2, 3. I got 3 packs of cute frog pencils. 6 pencils, 6 favor cards. Assemble and give to your Valentine pal. So people could use this for parties. Kids could have kids for parties. So you look at little froggy. Then you got the, I guess bookmarkers, or you can put, oh, you put the pencil through it. Cute. Let's see how that goes. There's 3 of those. Okay, and another one of the toys. So that's 6, I think. And then some more pencils. So that's 4. And then I'm just like throwing things. So, and it's okay because it's not gonna break. There's some more of those neat loofah sponges. That's 4. And then I'm sure some of this I might just donate or keep. I'm probably not gonna be able to sell those, kind of the small. I don't know, we'll see about the pencils, but okay, so a little leopard shirt for a little girl. This is okay, so a medium for a very small woman. I don't think that's a medium for a lady. Yeah, so that's Harper and Elliot. It's really cute. It's really cute. So I would say that's probably medium, maybe for a junior. That's what I'm thinking. Could be a medium. I don't know. I will check it. Cute, cute, cute. And then another one of the scrubbers. So, I only paid, for this box, I paid $70, and then plus the shipping, which is $30. So it's $100 for each box I had. This comes out to about $1.50 per item, which is great. I mean, I'll profit on most of it, so kind of cool. Okay, so that's all. I'll show you the shoes that came out. Cat and Jack, which I think is a Target brand, which is fine. Look at these cute Alika brown lined, I think they're Sherpa lined boots. Super cute. Size 4. So small feet. So cute. Those are really cute. I like them. I might wear them if I could. In the box with the tags. Love it. Very nice. Really nice. Everything is in really good shape. I'm very impressed. So I think I'm probably going to go with either next time just all ladies apparel or all general merchandise. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to go. So I'm very impressed with the condition everything is in. It took about a week to get my shipment. I think some people it takes about a day or two. I don't know, but it's like, I think it's 1 to 5 days, they say. So it's about almost a week, 1 to 7 days. So other than that, it's been fine. It's been a fine experience, nice quality stuff. So, hey, it's a good experience for my first time getting a liquidation box. So hope you, this helped you all to see what you can get from BULQ. Thanks a lot.